Hello everyone, my name is Angelo, and in today's video I will show you guys on how to add website link on your TikTok bio. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, the first thing that you need to do is to open up your TikTok app and then just go to your profile and then make sure that you're logged in. So when I go to my edit profile right here, as you can see, I don't have the option to add a website. I can only add my socials like Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. But for you to add your website, what you want to do is just go to the three bars right here on the top right corner, click on that. Then after that, just go to settings and privacy. So just click on that. And then after that, you will see a lot of options right here that you can choose. But what you need to focus on is your account right here. So just click on account. And then what you want to do is just press on switch to business account. So just click on that. And then after that, it will say, hi, welcome to business account. With the business account, you will get more business features in your business suite. Your existing videos and contents won't be affected. So just click on next. And then after that, it will tell you to learn about your audience. So track your video performance and get engagement insights from analytics. So again, just click on next. And then it will say right here, reach more people, grow your brand and business via promotions and contact channels. Just click on next again. And then you can also get access to conversion tools. So better connect with customers and improve conversion rate via business tools. So again, just click on next. And then after that, it will ask you to choose a category. So select the category that best describes your account. So this category won't be displayed publicly. So just choose the category right here of your account. So if your account is into arts and crafts, click on that. If it's into clothing and accessories, click on that, etc., etc. So just choose right here what your account is about. So as an example, I will set my category into gaming. So I'll just click on that. And then after that, just click on next. And then it will ask you for your email. So you can add an email or you can just skip it. So for me, I will just skip this part. I'll just click on skip. And then there you go. It says right here, congratulations. You can now try a registered business account. So after that, you can now view the business suite. So just click on that. And then from here, you'll get a lot of features that you can use for your business account. So feel free to check all of these out. But to add the website link on your profile, what you can do is just exit out of here, go to edit profile, and then you would see right here that there will be a new option right here that says business information. So from here, you can add your website. So as you can see over here, there's an option right here that says add your website. So just click on that, and then there will be a blank space right here that will allow you to add your website. So just click on that. And then from here, what you want to do is to just input your website. So as an example, I will just add www.google.com. And then after inputting your website, just click on save, and then there you go. So as you can see, I have now added a website to my profile. So when I exit out of here, as you can see, the website is there under my bio. So it says right there, www.google.com. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add a website link on your TikTok bio. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.